Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for blockchain. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. If you want to sign up to blockchain from your mobile device, first, you'll need to download the blockchain app right on your mobile device. You can also sign up for blockchain on a web browser as well. Once you have the application downloaded on your mobile device, tap open the app and you'll see this kind of an interface. To sign up for a new account, tap on Create an Account button and where it says email, type in an email address that you have access to. Once you type in your email, go to the next field and create a new password for your blockchain account. Once you create a strong password, scroll a bit down and right where it says country of residence, select your country from the drop down. Click on I understand box at the bottom and now tap get started. Wait for a few seconds, create a new PIN for your device and type it in. Confirm your PIN by typing it again. You can choose to enable Face ID instead of using your PIN. Whenever you're willing to sign into your account, tap on OK to do so, but if you don't want to do that, tap Not Now. Now, allow blockchain to send you messages and notifications by tapping Allow in the pop-up. You'll now need to verify your email address that you just signed up with. So in order to do that, tap on Check My Inbox and you'll receive an email from blockchain. Tap on the email and now tap on Yes, I confirm this is my email address button in order to verify your email address. Soon after you do that, you'll receive a message that says your email is verified. You can now return to your app in order to get access to your account. And wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to see that you've successfully signed up for blockchain.com account. Now simply complete your profile and verify your identity, link a payment method in order to buy your first crypto or start trading with your blockchain account. That is how you can easily sign up or register for a new account for blockchain. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.